Ito na, finally, natuloy na yung dream wedding natin. Or should I say, dream wedding ko na tinupad mo.
Two worlds collide.
Well, it took us almost a decade, more than na nga ata, for our love story. Sabi nga nila, there's no such thing as luck. There is such thing as preparation and the perfect timing for everything. And lahat yun is act of God.
And I don't wanna leave your arms tonight. I'm falling, still falling for you.
We haven't known each other until 4th year high school na tayo. There, our story started. From being classmates to best friends to slowly liking each other. Pero, hindi tayo vocal. Our actions just showed.
Our time has come. Every song has been sung. When the fire's burning low, I still want you to know.
And I know this is the perfect timing for the perfect person na dumating sa buhay ko para maging partner ko.
You are not perfect, but I know and I feel the love that overflows within. Joyce, I cannot promise to be the perfect wife, pero dahil mahal kita ng marami, I'll always do my best. To my dear best friend, lover, and sa magiging asawa ko. I can still remember the first time we met way back 2008. I am a typical high school girl, and you, the suplado high school guy back then.
It's from
where?
from
Who?
November 9, 2021.
May we share ba to? May we share valuable memories together with this? Aww. Wait. Looking forward to more adventures with you, Mrs. Sabian. I love you so much. Aww.
You're her.
Sige.
Nakakaiyak na. Wow!
The one.
Where's the one? Sinong namili talaga siya?
The one! Lover! This is it.
Vlog ka na.
Hi guys!
Wow!
Welcome to my channel.
I remember who we are when we're being young and dumb. Paris feels like falling back in love. Back in love. Now we're walking.
Ayan.
Talking head.
Oh.
Oh, hi love. Finally, tuloy na talaga. Excited na ako magamit mo to sign more important paper. See you later. Love you. Dami ng daming kaka, ano?
M for Mongol.
Well, thank you so much for this gift. See you later.
I love you. Ano ba naman to?
I remember who we are when we're being young and dumb. Paris feels like falling back in love. I remember who we are when we're being young and dumb. Paris feels like falling back in love. Falling back in love.
2014, destiny made its way for us to meet again. Our story continued. We became best friends again until we found our way back to each other. We grew apart. We are more ready, more matured, and everyone supported us.
After more than 2 years of planning and more than a year na postponement, God still allowed us to celebrate our love with these people around us.
Nakita mo ako na maging successful, maging failure, paulit-ulit. Hindi mo tiningnan yung mga kahinaan ko. Nandun ka sa bawat moment na mahina ako.
To my now real kuya, quote unquote, Kuya Joyce, thank you for coming into my Ate Wells life. I saw how you made her happy and how you continue to. Ikaw ba nung lagi maging third wheel, di ba?
Huwag na magpitsura. Tagal.
And I ask you for marriage because I know I have the woman na tatayo sa akin, sa tabi ko, sa hirap at ginhawa. Pinamangako ko sa iyo ang lahat ng ito. Mahal na mahal ito.
And ikaw, hindi ka na solong anak because you already have our Ate Shine. And you're spoiled and very pretty, bulusong kapatid. Thank you for always extending the blessings you receive to our family. I'm happy na hindi mo na kailangang ihatid si Ate Well kahit anong oras because you are now each other's home.
Sa hirap at ginhawa. Ngayon, isang taon na, sinasabi ko sa iyo, and I'm sure the love is there. Palaging nandun yun. But the bigger promise na ibibigay ko sa iyo this time is the perpetual commitment, and I will love you every single day of my life.
know, hindi perfect yung relationship natin. But we will always find a way to work it out and talk things out. I thank God for giving me the best partner in you. Sobrang excited akong tuparin lahat ng pangarap natin together. Mahal na mahal kita.